We're going to be talking about the stance and your foot position. So first off, you want to stand shoulder width apart. So if you're right-handed like I am, you put your right foot and you just step it back. You step it back, and there's lots of variations, but normally I'd like to, on my end, I want to step back and then slide out. So you put it like, you step this way. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, you want to take your left foot and step back. And now let's get on to the hip position and upper body torso position. Alright, bro. So once you figure out how your stance can be, either here or here. So since I'm right-handed, normally I'm unorthodox. So here, for your hip position and your torso position, you want to have a slight. You don't want to be square. You want to have a slight turn. So you pretty much reduce the surface area of the target that the opponent's hitting. So from here, you take your hip and you slightly turn it, but you're still facing forward. So you want to flex this way. So once you're here, now we can start with the striking. So for the hand position, you always want to keep it close to your cheekbones. You don't want to bring it down. You always got to be mindful while you're sparring or while you're moving around. You gotta keep your hands up to your cheekbones. So chin to open. It's almost like you're shrugging partially. Slowly. And then you keep your hands up toward your cheekbones. Cheekbones, or you can keep it up even better. So you just gotta be mindful of that. Okay. So let's do punches. So in punches, there's 6 variations. There's straight punches, there's hooking punches, and there is uppercuts. So if like boxers, I'm probably going to tell you there's lots of ways, but in essence, there's 6 types of punches. So there's straights, a pair of straight, a pair of hooks, and a pair of uppercuts. So let's start with the jab. So for jabs, you want to step forward, you want to step. So what's happening is you take the power from your hip, you put your weight on your front foot, and then you use the power from your hip. And then that power from your hip translates onto your shoulder. So hip, shoulder, shoulder. And then you combine it all together. Hip, shoulder, hip, shoulder, hip, shoulder. I'm just showing you the mechanics as far as how you take the force from the ground up and transfer it all to your shoulder, and it ultimately transfers over to your extension. So, and the same with the rear power. You want to use it from the hip. So it's like from here, you're driving your hip forward. You're driving your hip forward. From here, drop my hip, with the jab, front hand, lead. If I don't use that hand, it's almost you're just talking. As you can see, you can't really skip over, but I step on my legs. Yeah. So legs, hip, shoulder, and then from the shoulder, it transfers over to extension. So once you get the feel for that, once you get the feel for using your hip, you transfer it over to your shoulder, and then you extend. So you can see those straight punches. For the hooks, it's similar to straight punches, but you wanna hook. So what you want for the hooks is you want to have it either boxing style or you want it Thai style where it's almost as if you're doing a looping, but you're hitting with the first two knuckles. So I prefer boxing style of hooking just because it's less of a strain on my wrist. So look this way, and with any punches, you want your shoulder, you want your elbow to always be behind your punch. So when you're punching, it's almost this way. You're not punching at an angle. You're not punching straight towards this way, but your elbow is down here. So you want your punch and your elbow right behind the punch. So for hooks, you want to put your weight on the front foot and then you just rotate off of that. So it's just like you're changing the direction essentially. So for straight punches, you're going straight. For hooks, you're going left and right. Okay? So, and over time, you're going to get the hang of a transfer of weight, balancing your transfer of weight because you need a certain amount of weight to transfer. Okay, moving on to uppercuts. So for uppercuts, it's the same, but along with the hip rotation, you're gonna have a slight dip. So a slight dip. You want to dip, dip. The same concept, you want your elbow behind your punch. So if you're punching upwards, you want your elbow to be here because you're punching. If you're punching in this direction, you don't want your elbow to be on here. You want your elbow to be here. So, and over time, as you get comfortable with the straights, hooks, and uppercuts, you're going to be able to make it flow better. So it's in essence, it's just a matter of like 1-2s, and you put it in pairs. So like let's say you do a 1-2, 1-2, you do a 2, hook, so hook, so straight, hook, or you do 1, 2. So practice those 6 punches. What's important is your hand position, your balance or weight distribution, and your foot position. So you don't want to be off balance when you're punching. Once you get used to that, you can just start shadowboxing. With shadowboxing, it's just a matter of like taking 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, even 6 combination punches and just making it flow. So left, right, left, right, left, right, one after the other. Okay. Next, we'll work on the elbows. So for the elbows for now, I'm gonna teach you 4 types, 4 variations, basic variations. It's similar to straight punches and hooking punches, but you're just shortening the length. You're using your elbows to hit. So what you want is to have almost like a right angle. You don't want to bend, unless of course you're in a clinch and you're close quarters you don't have that space to move forward. So you can just hook it. So you can, so instead of doing this, you're doing this, but that's another variation. So I'm going to be teaching you the straights and sides. So we teach you the straights, go, and the sides. Okay, so for straights, it's the same concept as the jab. You're just extending with your legs. And as you can see, I'm not bending at the elbow. I'm going straight. It's almost like you're hitting with your whole forearm. And with the power of straight elbow, it's the same concept as going straight. You just you want to make sure your hands covered at the same time. With punches, with elbows, you always want to make sure that whatever hand is not being used, you want to keep that as a guard or as a cover. So, from this side, as you can see, I'm extending from my hips. Now, you can't really practice elbows as far as sparring goes unless you have like protective gear on. But you can definitely practice holding pads, which is a whole other topic in general. But as right now, it's best to focus on movement, weight distribution, getting the right, using your elbows, making sure all your hands up at all times. Use your elbows or your punches. You can see it from my hands, in my face. Good. Next. Oh, sorry, we're going to be doing the hooks. So for hooking elbows, it's similar to throwing hooks. So for hooks, that's where you're really going to focus on weight distribution. Balancing your weight distribution. Because if you don't balance your weight distribution, you're just going to fall. You're going to fall backwards or you're going to lose balance easily. So it's important to get that weight distribution down. So once you have that weight distribution down, you just want to shorten, you just want to take this away essentially. And you're going to be bending your elbows and coming across. You don't want to go low, you want to go across your face. You want to keep your wrist loose, but keep this hand up. That's essentially your hip with elbows. So. You want to step into the zone when you're throwing with your lead, just so you have as much maximum reach as you can. As you can see, my wrist is loose, so that way you can really focus on using your elbows. So. Step in, second, looking up, second, looking up. Again, you don't want to go down. You don't want to go this way. You want to go across your face, or even higher. The higher you can go, the better it is for your shoulders. So again, okay. Next, we're going to be doing knees. Hey bro, so I realized I'm practically overloading you with information. Probably for now you can practice punches and elbows. Let me know if you have any questions. shoot me a message. I'm always here. If you have any other stuff you want to recommend that you want to learn, hit me up. I'll talk to you later, bro. I hope you like it. Peace.